How to earn money online with Sweatcoin. Hi there! Looking to make some extra cash while staying active? Well, this week I'll show you how to earn money online with Sweatcoin. Whether you're walking around your neighborhood or just going about your day, I'll cover everything you need to know about how to maximize your earnings with Sweatcoin. Also, if you haven't signed up for Sweatcoin just yet, you can use my link down below to sign up. So, what is Sweatcoin? Well, Sweatcoin is a unique app that rewards you with a digital currency aptly named Sweatcoin for every step you take. Unlike most fitness apps that simply track your activity, Sweatcoin takes it a step further by turning your physical movement into currency that can be redeemed for a variety of rewards. Essentially, it's a way to make money by walking. You can exchange your sweat coins for a wide array of items, including gadgets, fitness gear, gift cards, and even cash vouchers. Now, getting started with Sweatcoin is simple. First, download the app from either the App Store or Google Play. After installation, you'll need to create an account by providing basic information, like your email and setting up a password. Now, once that's done, the app will ask for permission to access your GPS data and fitness tracking. These permissions are necessary because Sweatcoin tracks your steps using GPS. Now, while this means it only counts steps taken outdoors, it also ensures that your steps are verified, so there's no way to game the system. The app runs passively in the background, making it easy to use without needing constant attention. Once activated, it automatically converts your steps into sweat coins at a rate of approximately 0.95 sweat coins per 1,000 steps. And because the app is available on both Android and iOS, nearly anyone with a smartphone can join and start earning. Sweatcoin has partnered with numerous brands and retailers now, which means you'll regularly find new and exciting offers in their marketplace. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for an extra incentive to stay active, Sweatcoin makes it fun and rewarding to get moving. So, how does Sweatcoin make money? Now, you might be wondering how Sweatcoin can afford to pay you for, just walking? Well, Sweatcoin partners with companies that are interested in promoting healthier lifestyles and gaining exposure through the app. These partners pay Sweatcoin to feature their products, and some may even receive aggregated anonymized data to help them understand consumer behavior. Additionally, Sweatcoin offers in-app advertisements and premium memberships. Now, premium members pay a subscription fee to unlock additional features like double rewards and access to special offers. These revenue streams allow Sweatcoin to continue paying its users while supporting a business model that promotes health and wellness. Getting started with Sweatcoin. Getting started with Sweatcoin, the basics. Getting started with Sweatcoin is simple. First, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, you'll need to set up an account by entering basic information like your email and choosing a password. After you're all set up, Sweatcoin will ask for permission to access your location and fitness data. Make sure to grant these permissions as they're necessary for tracking your steps. Once you're up and running, Sweatcoin will automatically start counting your steps. You can check your balance. It also shows how many Sweatcoins you've earned on the app's dashboard. It also shows a daily breakdown of your steps so you can track your progress. Keep in mind that Sweatcoin counts outdoor steps only, as it uses GPS to track your movement. This means that steps taken indoors or on a treadmill won't count. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to rack up steps outdoors. Understanding the value of Sweatcoins. So, how much are your steps really worth with Sweatcoin? For every 1,000 verified steps you take outdoors, you'll earn approximately 0.95 Sweatcoins. Now, while at first this might not sound like a lot, those Sweatcoins can quickly accumulate, especially if you're consistent. So over time, small amounts add up, and you'll start to see real value in those steps you take every day. The Sweatcoin marketplace offers a great range and variety of options for spending your earnings. You can redeem your Sweatcoins for a wide range of items, including fitness products, personal services, and even digital subscriptions. The app frequently updates its marketplace with new items, so you'll always find something different and potentially exciting to work towards. For those interested in cashing out, Sweatcoin offers the option to exchange Sweatcoins for PayPal cash, although this option may require saving up a significant amount of coins. In addition to the standard marketplace items, Sweatcoin includes a bidding section where users can bid on high-value items like iPhones, experiences, or even cash prizes. These auctions can be competitive, but they also offer a chance to score some some impressive rewards. While it may take time to accumulate enough sweat coins for certain high-ticket items, as you can imagine, consistently using the app can make it worthwhile in the long run. By understanding how the value of sweat coins aligns with your own personal goals, you can strategize your use of the app and make the most out of each step you take, maximizing your earnings with Sweatcoin. Now, listen, if you're serious about earning money with Sweatcoin, there are a few strategies you can use to maximize your earnings. First, consider upgrading to the Sweatcoin Premium membership, which allows you to earn twice as many sweat coins per step. This subscription costs a small monthly fee, but if you're dedicated to using the app, it can be a worthwhile investment. Now, another way to boost your earnings is by taking advantage of Sweatcoin's referral program. For every friend you refer to the app, you'll earn additional sweat coins. You can share your referral link on social media or directly with friends and family. Not only does this increase your balance, but it also helps build a community of Sweatcoin active users who can motivate each other. What you can buy with Sweatcoins. Sweatcoin offers a variety of rewards, so you're sure to find something that interests you. Some popular options include fitness equipment, meal kits, and digital subscriptions. You can also redeem your Sweatcoins for cash through PayPal, although this option may require a larger amount of Sweatcoins. Additionally, Sweatcoin partners with charities and non-profits, allowing users to donate their Sweatcoins to a good cause, which is great. Whether you want to buy products, get cash, or make a difference, there are many ways to use your Sweatcoins. Be sure to regularly check the marketplace, as new deals and rewards are added frequently. Sweatcoin's impact on health and fitness. Sweatcoin isn't just a way to make money, it's also a great motivator for staying active. By rewarding users for their physical activity, Sweatcoin encourages people to walk more and live healthier lifestyles. Now, research has shown that consistent walking can improve cardiovascular health, boost mood, and even aid in weight loss. With Sweatcoin, you're not only earning rewards, but also investing in your well-being. Many users have shared stories of how Sweatcoin helped them stay motivated and reach their fitness goals. Some even use it as part of their daily exercise routine. Now, with the added incentive of earning Sweatcoins, going for a walk or run becomes more appealing, doesn't it? Plus, with the app's social features, you can connect with friends and challenge each other to hit daily step goals. Sweatcoin's Premium membership. Is it worth it? The Sweatcoin Premium membership offers several benefits for a monthly fee. With Premium, you'll earn double the Sweatcoins for every step, which can significantly increase your earnings. You'll also gain access to exclusive offers in the marketplace and priority support from the Sweatcoin team. Whether or not Premium is worth it depends on how much you plan to use the app. If you're an active user who walks a lot, the extra earnings could be worthwhile. On the other hand, casual users may find the free version sufficient. Weigh the pros and cons depending and based on your lifestyle, and decide if the premium membership aligns with your goals. Safety and privacy on Sweatcoin. As with any app that tracks your location, it's important to consider safety and privacy. Sweatcoin uses GPS data to verify your steps, but the company has stated that they do not share or sell personal data. They take steps to anonymize and secure your information, and users can review and control what data is shared with the app's settings. To enhance your security, make sure to regularly update your app and review its privacy policy. It's also a good idea to be cautious about sharing your location data publicly, especially if you're posting about your Sweatcoin achievements on social media. By staying informed, you can safely enjoy the benefits of Sweatcoin while protecting your privacy. And final tips for earning money with Sweatcoin. To wrap things up, here are a few final tips to help you get the most out of Sweatcoin. First, be consistent. The more you walk, the more you earn. So try making walking a part of your daily routine. Even small changes like taking the stairs or walking during lunch breaks can add up over time. Second, keep an eye out for special challenges and promotions within the app. Sweatcoin occasionally runs limited time events where you can earn bonus coins or unlock exclusive rewards. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative. You can use Sweatcoin as a motivator to explore new areas, plan hikes, or even join a local walking group. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to earning money online with Sweatcoin while staying active and healthy. And there you have it, everything you need to know about how to earn money online with Sweatcoin. Give it a try and start turning your steps into rewards today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to earn money with Sweatcoin and stay active. Also, if you haven't signed up for Sweatcoin just yet, you can use my link down below to sign up. See you next time. Bye.